Hey everyone, today we'll be talking about a rare and interesting flowering plant. Let's botanize. So we're in this noisy greenhouse and we're joined by a special guest, Ellie Mendelson.
Hey everyone!
Ellie's a research technician in the Friedman lab at Harvard University, and she studies the specific group of plants that we'll be talking about today. This is Austrobaileya scandens, the only species in its family, the Austrobaileyaceae. It's native to the rainforests of northern Australia, where it grows as a woody vine, or what we call a liana. One of the things that makes this plant so interesting is its weird floral morphology. So let's get out of this noisy greenhouse so Ellie can tell us more about that. We brought a flower out of the greenhouse and we have it under the dissecting scope. Ellie, can you tell us what we're looking at?
Sure, let's take a closer look.
We're going to start looking at this flower, starting with the outside and then working our way into the center. As you can see, this flower has multiple layers of petal-like structures. Many flowers you might be familiar with have an outer whorl of green leafy sepals and an inner whorl of colorful petals. Austrobaileya is different because these layers are not distinct, and so together we refer to them as tepals. The stamens are in the next whorl and are somewhat unusual because they are flat and wide and they resemble petals. We call this petaloid structure. In the center of these petaloid stamens, we have the anthers, which house the pollen. Inner to the stamens are the staminodes, one of my favorite floral structures. Not all flowers have them, and in Austrobaileya they have this really nice speckled coloring. They cover the innermost whorl of the flower, which are the carpels. In Austrobaileya, the carpels are separate and can each give rise to a single fruit. This is different from fruits like oranges, for example, that are formed from many carpels which are fused together. Because of Austrobaileya's unique phylogenetic position as part of a group that is sister to most other flowering plants, some researchers think that this flower can give us clues as to what the first flowering plants may have looked like.